Everyone, Sunil here from Clean. You can see, I hope you can see, there's quite a lot of lichen and dirt on the roof. So this is going to be a roof clean. We can clean this up beautifully for them with using our pressure washing service, as well as our hot water, which will clean even faster and better. Yeah, so with roofs, we can clean them. Depends on the pitch of the roof, naturally, as to how much we charge. But this is the end result for this customer. Fantastic. The corrugate has come up like new, and this side here is the side that I was showing you before, which was heavily lichened and kind of had a lot of moss. And this customer's gutter guard has also been so the entire gutters have been flushed, and I've made sure that the downpipes are clear as well. So great results. And this was a hot water clean, so you won't be able to beat the results on hot water. It's just fantastic. So great thing here is all this gutter mesh which has been put on the property was full of moss and lichen, and it's all been cleaned off completely, and it's almost come up just looking like new. Okay folks, if you need a clean, you need a quote, you know who to call. Cheers, bye.